Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told a record collector is looking to buy records that cost either $20 or $35 each. We're told to let A be the number of $20 records and B be the number of $35 records. We're told this collector can buy a maximum of 25 records and can spend up to $750. We're asked to find a system of inequalities that describes this relationship. So the number of records can be a maximum of 25. So the number of records is less than or equal to 25. And we have two types of records. A is the number of $20, B is the number of $35. So adding them together, adding the number of each type of record together, A plus B, has to be less than or equal to 25. So looking in our four answers, A and B do not have this, but C has A plus B is less than or equal to 25, and D has A plus B is less than or equal to 25. So is the other relationship we're looking at is that we can spend up to $750. So spending can be up to $750. That means it can be less than $750 or it can be equal. So this is the spending on A, right? On the $20 records, how much money are you spending? Well, it's $20 per record times a number of records is the amount you're spending. So if you had 5 records, the amount of money you're spending is $100 because it's 20 times 5. So you have to multiply 20 times A. Plus the spending on B, it's a similar thing. You're multiplying the price of each record times the number of records. So plus 35 times B is less than or equal to 750. This eliminates C, and D is your final answer because it's the only one that has both of these for the relationship. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.